You liking it here? Talk to us about the
Mobile.
wonderful people quickly. Yeah. Varun Dhawan sir के लिए.
Punishment.
I just saw Varun dragging you on the stage. Was he doing the same on while shooting also?
Both of them asking.
Yeah, of course. First Monica.
पहले वहाँ पे कहा दीदा
बदमाशी करता था क्या बहुत?
बदमाशी करता था
Dragging.
बोलो
नहीं आई थिंक हम सब रियली एक तो हम वैसे भी बहुत सब रिलैक्स लोग हैं तो कोई ड्रैग करके नहीं लेके जाता था सेट पे
अरे इसको लोग जानते नहीं अभी तक ये खुली नहीं है आप सबके सामने अभी तक धीरे 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 वो ये मेरे को रैग करती थी मैं कोशिश करता था इनको रैग करने के लिए बट मैं रैग हो जाता था फिर ये तो गुंडी है ऑटो में
भाई ठीक है वो ऑटो डजंट
शी सेड तू चल ऑटो में चल क्या गाड़ी में जा रहा है स्टार है क्या ऑटो में घुमाया मुझे पूरा भारत दर्शन किया देन एट नाइट शी सेड सीलिंग नहीं देखा है मैंने सीलिंग में जाना चाहिए हम लोगों को तो क्या ऑटो में नहीं है
On a serious note, how was it working with both the girls?
Varun is great. I mean, jokes apart, he's a great human being. And like Vamika said, he makes sure that he comforts you so much. Because he is happy when you are happy. All said and done, but he also pulls your leg a lot. He does rag me. And he says, I rag him too much, but I don't know. Really? ठीक है मैं अभी शादी करके आ रही हूँ तो I'm sitting very decent अभी
हेलो हेलो
वामिका हाउ इज वरुण एज अ पोएट
मैंने एक्चुअली अपनी इंट्रोडक्शन में सबसे पहले वही बात की that it was a pleasure working with him. Generally लोग कोई भी intimidate होगा that you're going to be working with such a beautiful big team who have been doing excellent work in their fields and I was nervous but the first day only when I met him when we worked together I knew it's going to be easy. I will be give my best in this and that shows what kind of a human being he is. अगर नहीं अच्छा होता तो मैं जबरदस्ती कुछ नहीं बोलती आज मतलब he is so good that I want to like बार बार तारीफ करना चाहती हूँ तुम्हारे में that he is such a secure actor he is so supportive he would always would want कि जितना अच्छा हो सके उतना he is not someone who will only think about himself and that's the best thing about him. Oh and he gossips a lot.
हेलो हाय उपमा फ्रॉम नवभारत टाइम्स इधर
उपमा
यस उपमा अलंकार
हाय
हाय सो वरुण जब आप लोगों ने एंट्री मारी एंड वो जो बच्ची है प्यारी सी जो फिल्म में आपकी बेटी का रोल कर रही है उसके साथ जो
Zara she wants to come here. You have to say 5 times the table. Come here.
सी दिस इज व्हाट आई वाज सेइंग कि जब आपने एंट्री की जिस तरीके से आप उसके साथ खेल रहे थे उसको प्रोटेक्ट कर रहे थे फ्रॉम दिस ये जो हो रहा था एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत सा फादरली इंस्टिंक्ट नजर आया डज इट चेंज यू वरुण आफ्टर बिकमिंग अ फादर
You know honestly मैं बचपन से ही मुझे बच्चों के साथ मजा आता था though I was a kid I would enjoy I when I did films also early on in my career I would always concentrate कि जो मैं content बाहर डाल रहा हूँ kids can watch these kind of films you know I want to make films that children can watch they can enjoy put a smile on their faces and that's why I enjoy a lot with kids I enjoy their games I enjoy doing masti with them and I saw her bottle it's so pretty and with her तो मुझे बहुत मजा आया इसके साथ हम लोग ने इतना शूटिंग किया है साथ में and I have to say something about Zara that she is a very very good actor don't go by how old she is she's a very very good actor she's a very intelligent actor and वो जिस तरीके के इमोशंस लेके आते हैं ये फुल धमाल है ये पटाखा है एक नंबर की and we had a lot of fun together she has another little sister and little brother also I would play with her little sister also in the van and she gave me a gift for my baby you know when I had a baby she gave me a gift also so thank you Zara
but have you changed as a person
आई डोंट नो, अभी मतलब पहले भी अच्छा ही बोलते थे, अभी भी अच्छा ही बोल रहे थे. चेंज मतलब आफ्टर बिकमिंग अ फादर आई चेंज. आई डोंट नो यार, मैं इतना अपने आप को स्टडी नहीं कर रहा हूँ अभी. बट मैं कोशिश, I'm right now I'm running such a tight schedule, इधर से उधर भाग रहा हूँ कि I'm only changing clothes. As a person, I don't think I'm changing. I think I'm becoming back like my old personality, like how I was during 90 Railo. मैं वैसे ही वापस वो जोन में जा रहा हूँ. I'm feeling.
Hi guys.
Next question.
This is Nawaz Kochner from Indian Express. Here guys. Hi.
Mom, there you go. What's up, buddy?
Hi. Murad sir, I have a question for you. So I firstly want to understand how did this collaboration with Atlee and Priyaji come about?
We met to a common friend actually.
कौन सा?
So वरुण को सब जानना है कौन है. हाँ, so हम मिलने के बाद हमने डिस्कस किया and obviously we all love this script and Ashley sir wanted to make this and then we made 4-5 times and that's how it just happened.
Thank you sir.
Hi Varun, Shweta here from IW Ampere.
Hi, Shweta. What's up?
All good, all good. Varun, मैं आपसे जानना चाहूँगी सलमान जी के साथ आपने कोलैबोरेशन किया. How was that feeling? ना enjoy किया.
बहुत अच्छा. It's been one of its kind. आजकल लोग सिर्फ इंस्टाग्राम पे कोलैबोरेशन कर रहे हैं. हम लोग एक्चुअल फिल्म में कर रहे हैं प्रॉपर कोलैबोरेशन, which feels good. And he's one of a kind. Has the largest heart in our business. And I think when you see the film, all his fans are going to be very, very, very pleased.
Any compliment you got from Salman ji?
वो सीधा कॉम्प्लीमेंट तो देते नहीं है. मुझे बस I mean he just saw me saying, baby जान, बड़ा हो गया baby. I don't know if that's a compliment, but yeah, I mean go. It is time.
Hi Varun.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hi Varun.
Hi ma'am, कैसे हो आप?
Yeah.
Hi, how are you?
This is Pooja Saman. I would like to ask you, we have earlier also seen many times you are performing quite bold and quite daring stunts. So how difficult this time was doing some stunts, because it's a quite daredevil stunts. Was there any challenges? Did you injure?
That's a very good question. And बहुत different था because the kind of stunts और जिस तरीके का action हम लोग ने बेबी जॉन में किया, it's not usually हम लोग जैसे करते हैं यहाँ पे. हमारे जो action directors थे, right from Arnal sir to Yannick to Stunt Siva to some other ones that we used. It's a mix of a lot of international meets Indian stunt masters. I remember one story when I was shooting a very big rain fight in Kerala. I was shooting in Kochi, and before going for the fight, Atlee sir called and just warned me. He said, "Sir, if you don't want to do a stunt, don't do it." He said, "If you don't want to do a certain stunt, please avoid it. You tell Kalis no, because he will push you." And then after that, I realized that he called Kalis and told the same thing to Kalis that if Varun says he wants to do something and it's very dangerous, you don't agree. So later on, he told me that you are both mad, so I have to be careful. You all don't do some crazy things. But that didn't stop Kalis, obviously. He hung me for 6 hours upside down. He made me ride a horse at 5 o'clock in the morning. And a lot of other torture he's done, but you can only do that. Sorry. That. So every actor you say the same thing. You can only do that.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, Vaishali Chandra from Alpha World. Congratulations to the entire team. We are loving what we are seeing on screen. The music, the performances. My question is for Kirti. I'm loving you on screen.
Thank you so much.
Nayan Mataka song and the chemistry is fire. Please, will we get to see you more on screen in the Hindi belt?
I mean, of course, I'm hoping so. But yeah, from whatever we've done, first of all, thank you so much. And this film is going to be very big, and I love my character. I've honestly loved playing this character, and fingers crossed. I'm hoping for the best. Thank
Can
you
we
so much.
manifest the next produced and directed by Akhil in Hindi?
Yeah, of course, for sure. I think as an audience, when I saw the film, I think Kirti is going to create a great attraction towards the audience for sure. 100% she has everything, and the emotional way what she has done, I think it's fabulous. It's fabulous.
Thank you so much.
Thank
And
you.
you were looking beautiful, beautiful bride.
Thank you so much.
Hi Varun, this side. Hi, Vishal Ambani here.
Stand.
हेलो ताली बजा रहे थे
अंबानी
खड़े होगा कैमरा आ जाएगा
हाँ?
कैमरा में आ जाओ
नहीं खड़ा हो जा।
विशाल अंबानी पुणे
विशाल अंबानी, हाँ। पूरा नाम
विशाल मुकेश अंबानी वरुण मैं सवाल पे आता हूँ
Are you the producer of the film?
वरुण मैं सवाल पे आता हूँ
चुप जियो।
थैंक यू वरुण जब बी नाम की लेटर आपकी मूवीज में आती है वो हमेशा हिट हुई है आपके लिए बी काफी लकी रहा है भेड़िया हो गया बदलापुर हो गया नाउ बेबी जॉन बवाल भी आई थी तो डू यू थिंक बी लेटर इज योर की टू सक्सेस
विशाल जी, अंबानी जी।
और सबसे खास बात है मेरे चैनल का भी नाम बजुका है तो वो भी बीसी है
सर आपके तो बहुत चैनल है। सर बात तो सही है, बात में दम है, एंड बेबी जॉन एक बम है जो 25 दिसंबर को फटेगा और कितना बड़ा फटेगा क्रिसमस पे, दैट आई थिंक द ऑडियंस हैज टू डिसाइड, जनता जनार्दन। सो फॉर मी इट्स ऑलवेज द ऑडियंस. I mean, I don't get into this. I hope so. It's going to be lucky again. I pray. But सब जनता जनार्दन हम लोग पिक्चरें ऑडियंस के लिए बनाते हैं, and them liking it and them disliking it, they decide. They are the deciders. सब ऑडियंस के ऊपर है.
वरुण
माइक दो भाई।
Hello, sir. Narinder Bhatani from Punjab Kesari, and let me remind you of that. आपकी कोका-कोला की कमर्शियल थी जिसमें ऊपर से ना जूते फेंकता था एक
हाँ जी, हाँ जी।
और जो आपको दिखा रहा था वो मैं ही था. It's been like 12 years now.
Oh my God,
My question is, कोका-कोला की टीवी वर्जन हमने करी थी, and now जो कोका-कोला का ब्रांड एम्बेसडर है दिलजीत दोसांझ वो आपकी फिल्म के अंदर दिख रहे हैं. Tell me about that collaboration, and it's for the producers also and for you also. The experience with Diljit Dosanjh.
दिलजीत पाजी के साथ काम करके तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा. आई थिंक पूरा भारत उनसे बहुत प्यार करते. द वे इज एंटरटेनिंग अस थ्रू ऑल हिज टूर्स, एंड ऑनेस्टली इट जस्ट टुक वन रिक्वेस्ट. एक बार खाली पूछा उनसे, गाना भेजा थमन सर का, उनको गाना बहुत पसंद आया. इसलिए आई वुड लव टू वर्क विद एटली सर, आई वुड लव टू सिंग फॉर यू. एंड वो सेट पे आए, एंड ही वाज जस्ट अ ड्रीम टू वर्क विद. आई थिंक वर्किंग विद दिलजीत वाज सो इजी दैट डे. वी हैड सो मच फन. बहुत मजे किए हम लोग ने साथ में, एंड आई थिंक ही इज इन अ स्पिरिचुअल प्लेस. भाई वो एक आर्टिस्ट है जो बहुत प्योर है, एंड वो जिस तरीके से लोगों को एंटरटेन करे, सो ब्यूटीफुल टू सी. जस्ट अफार से देखना उनको बहुत मजा आता है. एंड I'm going to be co-stars with him also soon. हम लोग एक पिक्चर भी कर रहे हैं अभी next. But I'm very happy. So thank you Diljit Paji for singing our song Nain Mein Dhakka, and song is doing so well. गाना hit हो गया है. So a lot of credit goes to him, to Dhee, to Thaman sir, to Irshad bhai, and Atli sir also for getting us the songs.
Hello to the team here. This is Aina from Instant Bollywood.
What's up, Aina? How are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you? I want to ask Varun that the last time we spoke, you said that Atli sir did mention to you that after Citadel, you will get the confidence on OTT to finally believe that people are going to love you in action, and now people have really appreciated you in Citadel. It went so well. Do you feel super confident for a theatrical action release?
That's a good question. I think my confidence, a lot of my confidence comes from my makers, my co-stars, the people I work with. They give me the confidence, and the way this man makes films, the way he produces films, the way he puts films together, puts a lot of confidence. The way Murad sir, almost every day I talk to him more than his family. So the way he gives me confidence every day to fight, to level up in life means a lot. But above all, I genuinely want to say that this gentleman over here, this film is going to, when it does well, I hope it's going to do very well, it's going to be because of him. Because more than confidence, he's put in a lot of emotion into this. You know, वो जो आग है उनमें, वो जो जज्बा है उनमें, वो it's the amount he's put now. It's very difficult. We are also pushing. Even I'm pushing every day, like giving my best. But he's been relentless. His tears are going to make this film a very, very big one.
Ramika, for you, how was it? Just, I think this is like such a big break for you. How was it to just be a part of this? You've been wanting to talk about Baby John for a while, but you couldn't. Now that you can, what emotions are you feeling?
I'm very grateful, thankful. ये words बहुत ही ऐसे लगते होंगे, grateful, thankful, but I know how it feels. It's just, I thank God every day that for a person like me who comes from a background जहाँ पे chance नहीं है ज़्यादा. You know, I don't know मैंने क्या ऐसा life में किया है that I met such good people in my life who I don't know saw what in me, supported me. Thank you so much, Atli sir, again. My first meeting with him and the way he inspired me, the way he just motivated me in the first meeting, I was just surprised. I'm like, if I ever feel really successful in life, that's the mindset I want to have in life, how to give chances to people that you really believe in. And I'm so glad that he believed in me. And Kali sir, when I met him for the first time, I didn't know that I was meeting him for the second time. I'd actually met him a few years back on some other South Indian film set. And that was a surprise to me that I've already met him. I'm just very happy to be working with Varun sir and Kirti and produced by Murad sir. It was just like, it's a dream come true. And I swear मुझे नहीं पता है कि मेरे साथ ये कैसे हुआ है, क्या मैंने लाइफ में या मेरे पेरेंट्स ने अच्छे कर्म किए होंगे that I'm experiencing these moments in my life. So thank you and thank you.
Arun, hi. So I wanted to ask you one thing. So when there is a kid involved during the filming, kids are very honest with their feedback. What was that one feedback that you probably got from Zara?
Why are you taking so many takes? Do it quickly. And if something, see, for a child, you're right, if a child something she doesn't find pure or real, if the emotion is not real, then they don't connect. Because they don't know the real difference between acting and real life. They are not making that distinction as yet. Whatever emotion they're showing, वो लोग 100% दिखा रहे हैं. So Zara, every emotion had to be real for her to feel it. Whether it was giving cues, whether the way we would talk in scenes, the way we would communicate with each other. She's a very spontaneous actor, और वो comedy भी बहुत करती है. But she's really adorable.
She's the star of the film.
Yeah, she is the star.
Zara, you answer one question for me?
Yeah, she'll answer.
She talks a lot.
You ask. What do you want to ask? क्या पूछना क्या?
So I want to ask Zara, how was it working with Varun sir for you, Zara?
It was very fun, and I really learned how to listen now.
Thank you. You're very adorable.
Thanks.
पूछ लो, she's answering.
और पूछ रहे हैं Zara से?
She's in the mood. You guys should ask the questions.
हाँ बोलो पाजी बोलो तो सर. Who was your best friend on the set?
Buddy.
You said? She means you or she means no? She means
How much did you train her, Ramu?
This guy is your best friend. He's not even his best friend's best friend. Okay, sorry. He is a good guy. He looks like Santa Claus.
Second favorite?
Okay, second favorite.
Second favorite?
It's Vamika, ma'am.
I love you. Third favorite?
Also that.
Also that.
हम दोनों हैं.
Thank you.
Hello. Loving the Bond. Hi, on your left, Prudhanjay here from Pop Diaries. The trailer looks amazing, the poster looks amazing, and I think this is going to be larger than life cinema, as Varun you said earlier. My question is to Atlee or Kalis or whoever can take this question. Like, past 2 years have been full of cameos, films filled with cameos, and whichever film which has cameo did well. So for filmmakers, is it a conscious decision now to have a cameo or a big surprise in the film?
See, we are entertainers. We go all out to entertain the audience. And cameos are, in certain films, are made for make an added advantage to the film. But certain films have cameos which even the script demands. I think if I have to say about Baby John, it has both. It needed an added advantage, at the same time the script demanded someone in a very, very, very big scale who can be the boss of everyone. So he's going to be the boss of everyone. That's the snippet I can give. So someone has to be very big. So I asked Morad sir if Salman sir can do it, it will be great. Then it immediately happened.
वरुण, मेरा सवाल आपसे है, स्टंट्स और ये सब पर तो बहुत सारी बातें हुई, लेकिन जहाँ तक आपकी बदलापुर का सवाल है, वो भी एक कॉज बेस्ड फिल्म थी और उसको आज तक हम भूल नहीं पाए. इवन आमिर जी ने हमें अपने बर्थडे में बताया था कि नए बच्चों में मुझे वरुण का काम बदलापुर में बहुत पसंद आया था. ये फिल्म भी उसी पर बेस्ड, मतलब कुछ एक कॉज बेस्ड फिल्म है. तो कितना चैलेंजिंग था एक कॉज बेस्ड फिल्म को करना और उसमें एक मासी कैरेक्टर को भी प्ले करना.
बहुत चैलेंजिंग होता है, इमोशनली बहुत चैलेंजिंग होता है. कुछ ऐसे सीन्स हैं ये फिल्म में जब हम लोग करते थे, काफ़ी सीन्स हैं वे आई वुड बी इमोशनली वेरी ड्रेन्ड एंड बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाता था. जिस तरीके से शूट होता था तो Kalisa would in fact tell me that Varun, don't get so emotional in the scene, try and be straight. But when scene में perform करते ही I would sometimes break down because the issue that we are trying to show and the kind of case that we deal with in this film वो बहुत hard hitting है, spine chilling है, and it comes in a very commercial way. But in a commercial film I don't think कि ऐसा कभी case किसी ने दिखाया है in this way. And I can guarantee you that chapter of the film, जब वो आएगा, it is going to shake up people. I'm sure about that. I don't want to talk about the other prospects of the film, but I know about that piece because when we were shooting that, there are 2-3 scenes like that which hit me also because मैंने कभी हिंदी फिल्मों में ऐसा इतना extreme में गया नहीं. I mean, yeah, in Badlapur, yeah, we would. In this, it's little different because किसी और के साथ हो रहा है, but और ये होता है हमारे सोसाइटी में. हम कितनी बार सुनते हैं इसके बारे में. आई डोंट गो टू डीप इनटू इट, बट आई कैन जस्ट टेल यू दैट द केस इज गोइंग टू हिट एवरीवन वेरी बैडली.
This is Rajiv Vijayakar. My question here. My question is for Kalis bhai. This is Morad bhai just said that this is an adaptation of the original, not a copy or not a direct remake. So my question is, how challenging was it to be different? And also, like Varun has said, कि इसमें पहली बार एक्शन के साथ एक इमोशनल वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग कोर और मैसेज है. How did you manage to blend that? And my other question I'll ask later to Vamika. Please.
Actually, when you are adapting a film, we should not lose the juice and we should make something more than that because it is almost 7 to 8 years back. It is very close to at least on. So when I'm updating something, it should not hurt its sentiment also. So and also it should be very, it it's energetic and new to the current trend also. So it is a really saying it's a new experience for me. When you're writing a script, we start from the 1, so and we'll end it the 80. But when I'm writing the script, I have to start from 4, or I have to start from 12. You know what I mean? It's scenes. So this should connect 3 and it should connect 5. But no one should feel that okay, we write the 4 as a new scene. So this is a really great experience. I really want to thank my friend Atlee to give me that kind of torture and that kind of love to me to do this. And it's given me a new, so it's like a mind-blowing experience for me to do that also. And it's really all really close to my friend.
How did you blend that action with the emotion?
No, sir, this is a film about, it's a commercial film, very good message film. This is in Boji also, it's having everything. You know, there is an emotion, the baby emotion is there, father emotion is there, and then mother emotion is there, every emotion is there. The same way we handle everything. The emotion and everything is there, but we updated everything. You know, the scenes and the actions, everything. The lot of foreign action directors we used, and the way Varun sir did, so no one can match that action. And then especially Jackie sir, we changed complete perspective of the antagonist. That villains is completely changed. So when we start writing with the Jackie sir. So when you start writing that, when he became more powerful, the hero became more powerful. So that is the story. The Ravana became more powerful, the Rama became more powerful. So it's opposite. We should not go like this. We should go like this. So we start writing that. So everything changed. So almost whatever the sweet things is there, we keep holding it. Other than most of the around the Jackie sir, whatever happening, everything is new. That's why if you see it 4 thrill and 7 thrill, that is the interval block and the climax, it will be completely a different experience. For sure, that's fine.
Okay, Vamika, my question to you is in Hindi. So I have not seen anything of your regional work, but in Hindi, whatever you have done, whether it's a Kufia, whether your series, you have been in a realistic zone. Now, how did this larger than life commercial zone offer a challenge to you?
देखिए, रियलिस्टिक जोन को भी क्रिएट ही करना पड़ता है. तो मेरे लिए इवन खुफिया या जुबली या ग्रहण वो सब बहुत अलग अलग दुनिया थी और वो सब अलग अलग डायरेक्टर्स थे. तो जब आप किसी डायरेक्टर के साथ कोलैबोरेट करते हो, आप उनके साथ उन्हीं की दुनिया में जाके उस फिल्म को क्रिएट करते हो, उस कहानी को क्रिएट करते हो. आप सही कह रहे हैं कि ये दुनिया बहुत अलग है उन जो मैंने कहानियाँ पहले जिनका मैं हिस्सा रही हूँ. I was very excited, to be very honest. हम इंडियंस हमने बचपन से ही ऐसा नहीं है कि हम हमेशा बहुत रियलिस्टिक फिल्म्स देखते थे. हम सब बड़े हुए हैं कमर्शियल फिल्म्स में, लार्जर देन लाइफ, क्योंकि वो देखने में मज़ा आता है. वो आपकी नॉर्मल लाइफ से थोड़ा हटकर है. आपको उस दुनिया में जाके जहाँ पे आप थिएटर से बाहर निकलेंगे तो आपकी नॉर्मल जिंदगी चल रही है. तो मेरी भी बहुत ख्वाहिश थी कि मुझे ऐसी दुनिया का पार्ट होना है जो लार्जर देन लाइफ है. एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी कि मुझे चांस भी मिला. तो कैसी फिल्म है, मतलब एटली सर इज प्रोड्यूसिंग दिस फिल्म, दिस कास्ट, द प्रोड्यूसर्स, आई एम जस्ट लाइक वेरी एक्साइटेड कि मैं सीधा जंप कर रही हूँ तो बेस्ट. और मेरा एक्सपीरियंस बहुत खूबसूरत रहा, अलग था. सीन्स को देखने का नज़रिया, कैरेक्टर को देखने का नज़रिया. मैं बहुत हर एक सवाल पूछती रहती थी समझने के लिए कि ये क्या क्रिएट करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. मुझे इनके साथ रहकर ये वाली पेंटिंग बनानी है. यू नो, इट्स लाइक मुझे बताओ ना कौन से कलर्स यूज कर रहे हो, मुझे बताओ ना क्या बनाना है. लाइक इट्स लिटरली लाइक दैट. तो एक आर्टिस्ट को तो यही चाहिए ना कि हर बार कुछ नया क्रिएट किया जाए, नई पेंटिंग हो. तो मेरे लिए तो बस यही था. मुझे बहुत मजा आया.
वरुण भाई,
Okay, we'll take 2 last questions, please.
वरुण भाई, on your left.
हाँ जी,
यहाँ पे
हाँ जी भाई, बोलिए.
कैसे हैं आप?
बढ़िया बढ़िया.
Congratulations to you and the team. मेरा सवाल वरुण भाई आपसे कि आपने डुअल रोल कर लिया जुड़वा में. अब यहाँ जो फिल्म है, इट्स अबाउट डुअल आइडेंटिटी. जैसे हमने देखा कि कई ऐसी फिल्में रही हैं, जैसे पेट्टा होगी या दरबार की, where the actor or the main characters have a dual identity. Of course, कॉप नहीं, नॉर्मल भी ऐसे डुअल आइडेंटिटी होती है. व्हाट इज योर फेवरेट फिल्म? जैसे हम देखते हैं ना कि यहाँ पे डुअल आइडेंटिटीज वाली फिल्में होती हैं, जहाँ पे एक्टर का कुछ और होता है लेकिन निकलता
I love हम. मुकुल आनंद directed that film. It's called हम. फिल्म में अमिताभ जी थे, रजनीकांत सर थे, गोविंदा जी थे. And मुकुल आनंद is one of my favorite directors while growing up. खुदा गवाह भी बनाई थी उन्होंने. एंड दैट फिल्म उस वक्त भी जिस अग्निपथ भी बनाई थी उन्होंने द ओरिजिनल, एंड उस वक्त जब उन्होंने फिल्म बनाई थी टेक्निकली भी बहुत अहेड थी वो फिल्म. सो हम जिस तरीके का बैकग्राउंड दिया था, जिस तरीके से अमित जी का वो पास्ट और प्रेजेंट दिखाते थे, सो या तो मतलब आई थिंक अमित जी ने ऐसे कितने आइकॉनिक फिल्में की है, यू नो, देयर सो मच टू लर्न फ्रॉम हिम इटसेल्फ, जो कि न्यूअर जनरेशन ऑफ एक्टर्स शुड नॉट forget that Bible. We should not forget that Bible staying here. We should keep watching that.
Okay, so while shooting this film, आपको कैसा लगा कि living that moment? भले हमसे ना से, but कोई ऐसी फिल्म हो जो आपको लगा हो?
वही यही जो अभी बोला मैंने, हम का ही मोमेंट है. वो एक शॉट है ना अमित जी का, जब झगड़ा होता है किधर बाहर, एंड देन
बस स्टॉप पे,
एंड देन ही रन्स, एंड या मुझे वो बहुत याद आया था at that point.
Okay, one last question.
जो विलन के किरदार में जैकी श्रॉफ सर नजर आ रहे हैं, बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग किरदार ऑन स्क्रीन देखने को मिलता है. उनसे काम करते वक्त आपको क्या कुछ सीखने को मिला और किस तरह का अनुभव रहा जैकी श्रॉफ सर के साथ काम करते?
बहुत चिल्ड आउट आदमी है वो, बहुत ही आसान है उनके साथ काम करना, उनके सामने रहना, एंड हिज बिहेवियर इज अमेजिंग. वो कैसे लोगों को ट्रीट करते हैं ऑफ स्क्रीन, वो बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है उनसे. एंड ही इज टू कूल, ही इज वन ऑफ द कूलेस्ट एक्टर्स वी हैव. और मुझे थोड़ा बहुत एक्शन भी करना था उनके साथ, काफी कुछ चीजें हैं मेरी उनके साथ, बट ही गेव मी फुल फ्रीडम. ही इज वेरी फिट, स्टिल वेरी वेरी फिट. So I think Kalis and me had a great time working with Jackie sir. I think he was an amazing fit. Atlee sir has worked with Jagu Dada in Bigil as well before this, and from day one for the casting of our for this role, Atlee sir he said, "This is the man. This is the man," and he's gone beyond. I think this is I couldn't say reintroduction, but this is Jackie Shroff 3.0. I would say. You see what he's done in the film.
Because I see when we were looking for casting, my first choice was Jagu Dada, because I have worked with him. He was done a role in my film as a villain in a Tamil film called Bigil. He has done an outstanding job. So I was very confident. Once I did photo shoot, everyone was, "Oh my God, what is this?" So I think that is being reflected today to the audience also, because wherever we have seen the trailer, apart from Maroon, I think the theatre went into a stadium mode whenever his portion comes. I think he's going to be the key wicket in the film. He has done something else. He has been a crazy one. Like for example, I love Animal very much. I love Bobby Sir's role in that film. Like that, I think Jagu Dada will be a most appreciated villain in this film. I personally feel it, and I think it's going to make it also.
Thank you so much, and I'm sure, as you said, sir, you get a lot of love. Theaters will be 25th December when the movie releases. It's time.